We specialize in metabolic health at our clinic and bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. And those two together is just a nuclear bomb. So when you take food and sleep and hormones and minimize stress and do community, then health just is right there. It's just achievable. We changed over to low carb probably in 2016, and then carnivore, ketovore probably in 2019. And it's been fabulous. My husband's migraines have gone away. It's just been amazing, an amazing level up, if you will. Doug and Pam, who are the founders of Low Carb USA, they are amazing people. This is their mission field. They're passionate about it. They just want to help people achieve health. And the relationships that they build with speakers and then just people like us that come back every single year is heartwarming, and it just means a lot. It means a lot. The Society of Metabolic Health Practitioners is an amazing organization just helping to bring different ideas of consensus for health and nutrition into this world that's been the world of medicine that's been narrow-minded and closed-minded. And it's just bringing different ideas. And it's a group of providers that are in practice all around the world saying the same things. This is what we're seeing if we're doing this. And they're just getting together to have journal clubs and meetings and to bring awareness for other providers to feel confident enough to step up and start doing this for their patients as well.